guys, I'm Bhumika. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, I do beauty, fashion, travel hauls and videos on my channel, and if you like what you see, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button. And today I'm going to review the Biolage SmoothProof 6-in-1 Deep Smoothing Serum. Now I was already using it since quite some time now. And last week when I was at a salon, my hairdresser also recommended this to me when I told him about my hair problem. Like, Pavel had made my hair dry and rough, and he suggested the same, and I was already using it, so that was like a bonus. Biolage SmoothProof 6-in-1 Deep Smoothing Serum is the solution to all your hair problems. It has superfoods like avocado oil, grape seed oil and frizz taming polymers, which not only nourish and give your hair a shine, it also helps smoothen the rough ends and protects it from split ends. Now my number one concern has always been frizzy hair and dry, dull hair. So I travel a lot and I even work out like 4-5 times a week. The humidity and the sweat and grime, it all kinds of weighs down the hair and makes it look dull. This has been really helpful in that, and it is also my go-to travel product. I usually always carry it along with me whenever I'm traveling because the bottle is also very nice, small, handy and travel friendly. In the last 2-3 months I was on a cruise, then I was on a safari, and the wind and the sand made my hair like super dry and rough. So just using a few drops of it instantly like nourished my dry hair and controlled the frizz and instantly detangled my hair, because it was very difficult to even comb through the hair. It was that entangled, but this really helped me. It also helps with smoothing the rough ends and also protects it from humidity, like especially in Mumbai. It is very humid, and it also adds a beautiful nice shine instantly. Into the application part, it is super easy to use. You just need to pour, rub and apply. It can be used on dry or damp hair. Just take a few drops, rub it well and just apply it from your mid-length to your ends. And personally, how I use it is I use it after shower to detangle the hair and to condition the rough dry ends so that they get that moisture, and I use it before blow dry as a heat protectant and after blow dry to add that shine. You can also use it to style when you are like going for a party or you are creating a hairstyle, and it also helps with taming the baby hair, the frizzy hair. So you can just apply a little bit of it on the top or in the front wherever you have baby hair. And it also is travel friendly, as I mentioned already, and I love how it instantly makes my hair feel like soft, smooth, detangled, and it adds an instant shine and all the frizz is gone, and it smells absolutely amazing, guys. You have to smell it. The smell is absolutely amazing and your hair smells good all day. I use the complete Biolage SmoothProof range, the shampoo and the conditioner, followed by the Biolage SmoothProof Serum. This entire range makes your hair super soft. This range is basically meant to smooth frizzy hair, and it does exactly that, and that is my primary concern. So this range works absolutely amazing for me. This range works beautifully on all types of hair, especially dry frizzy hair. 310, I believe this is one of the best professional hair serums in the market right now, and I have already recommended it to so many of my friends, and I think I've recommended it to you guys as well. Definitely love and recommend the Biolage SmoothProof 6-in-1 Deep Smoothing Serum. So this comes as hairdresser's favorite, and it is used in many salons as well. I'll link it in the info box below so you can check it out. Also let me know if you have tried this serum and your thoughts on it. And yeah guys, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the like button if you like this video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.